Hi, today we'll see the steps for planning and installing the heating cable for concrete by Ouellet, Canada. The heating cable for concrete by Ouellet is sturdy and specially designed to be installed under a concrete slab. It's been developed for indoor applications and can be used as a residential and commercial product. This video will show the installation of the heating cable for concrete under the basement slab of a single-family home. Ouellet offers two types of concrete cables, the owc-m on mat and the owc-r on reel. This last one is ideal to install the cable in stairs or for confined spaces with many obstacles to bypass. The cable on mat is fastened to a fiberglass mesh 24 inches in width and is evenly spaced 6 inches apart for a density of 11 watts per square foot. This design allows for a simple and very fast installation directly on the high-density, non-compressible thermal insulation. In order to choose the proper mat or reel size, you must first estimate the areas to be heated. With a floor plan to scale, Ouellet can assist you during this step by offering an estimation service. The heating cable for concrete allows you to do surfaced and zoned heating. Make sure the thermostat is set appropriately. It's important that the covered surface specified for the chosen product be equal or smaller to the net heated area. The cable must under no circumstances be cut, shortened, or modified. We can also provide a cable installation plan upon request when you purchase a owc-m product. The thermostat position will determine the starting point for unrolling the mat. We recommend leaving a minimum distance of 3 inches between the mat strip and 6 inches between the cable and a fixed element and around the drain. The layout should include buffer zones that are easily accessible at the end of the installation, where you can place any excess cable if necessary. With the help of your plan, use a marker or spray paint to trace the perimeter of the net heated area. Before beginning the cable installation, make sure you have the appropriate mat size by checking the information found on the product label. For warranty purposes, a first measurement must be taken to ensure the cable's integrity before breaking the security seal. Check the resistance using a multimeter and cable insulation using a megameter. Write down the values on the control sheet found in a plastic envelope. Wrap the label around the non-heating section of the cable. Slide the coil lead into a wireway installed underneath the future location of the thermostat. The mechanical joint must remain outside the wireway and must be embedded in the concrete slab. Make sure that the end of the non-heating cable remain dry before and during the installation. Plug the cable check device that is included in your kit. It will assure you of the integrity of your cable during your installation. However, we ask that all verification measurements be taken and recorded at the end of each installation step. Using the plastic staples or adhesive tape, fasten the extremity of the mat before starting to unroll. When nearing a wall or any obstacle, cut the mesh using scissors and work around it by changing direction as indicated on the installation plan. Use plastic staples or adhesive tape to secure the mat's extremities on the ground during the whole procedure. The heating cable on mat lends itself really well to installations under a reinforced concrete slab. For this application, we recommend to place the mat underneath the mesh in order to facilitate the pouring of concrete. The cable on reel can also be used for installations in reinforced concrete. In this case, the cable must be tightly fastened to the wire mesh using the cable ties provided. In order to protect the floor probe and its wire while pouring the concrete, we suggest inserting it into a conduit. The probe must be installed about 24 inches inside the heated area. The probe must never cross over the cables, but should rather be placed between two parallel cables. Once the mat has been completely installed, unplug the cable check and take the verification measurements again. Record the values on the control sheet. The robust construction of the cable allows walking freely on it. However, a few preventative measures should be taken to make sure it will not get damaged by tools found on the building site. When using a wheelbarrow to transport the concrete, always place a plywood sheet on top of the installation on which you will be able to circulate while protecting the cable. It's possible to install many types of floor covering directly over the heated concrete slab. Verify the product's compatibility with the manufacturer. We're now finished installing the heating cable for concrete, and it's now time to connect the system to the thermostat. Ouellet offers programmable and non-programmable thermostats to control your heated floor. The heating cable for concrete by Ouellet Canada is an investment that will add value to your business or home while improving your quality of life. Its installation is fast and simple, especially when compared to a hydronic system, since it doesn't require any annual maintenance or freeze protection. Safe and dependable, this heating system provides a healthy and comforting heat through thermal radiation. For more information regarding this product, please call our technical support department.